Meaning of herpes simplex.
Herpes simplex.
Herpes simplex.
Herpes simplex.
Herpes simplex. Herpes simplex refers to a viral infection caused by the herpes simplex virus, HSV. There are two types of HSV, type 1 and type 2. The virus can cause cold sores around the mouth, genital herpes, or other infections in various parts of the body. Symptoms include painful blisters, itching and burning sensations, and flu-like symptoms. While there is currently no cure for herpes simplex, antiviral medications can help to manage outbreaks and reduce the frequency of future outbreaks. It is important to practice safe sex and avoid close contact with others during an outbreak to prevent transmission.